Alright, hey, what's up? This is Frankie. I'm here at Olik Talk, up here, way up here in Alaska. The wind is blowing like crazy and there's a lot of snow out there. I don't know if you can see, but I'm in my Namsayin shirt and in boots and shorts. So this is for all of you out there. Alright, here we are about to go outside and brave the elements, and it's a fucking crazy zero visibility almost goddamn blizzard, so this is fucking crazy. Just to show you how nutty it is out here.
Yeah, it's sporty on this side. There's a road here somewhere, trust me.